some nice shape.
Yeah, beautiful start from Jason Behrendorff. We've seen this all tournament. That's what the Scorchers will be.
Or angling to the slips.
Up in the air. Should be out. There'll be 4 of them. Oh, that's unbelievable. Up in the air. Should be taken. In the air again. This one's going to just fall safe.
It's a big fall.
Oh, big swing. Look at this. Look at this. Catch. Crawley comes down. Behrendorff back into the attack. And hit hard.
Oh, that's a good shot.
Big swing.
Try to make sure I was still in the swing of things. If something happened, catch that.
Goes again.
Yeah.
Skip it to continue and some speed on. Oh, return catch. This time it's big.
Movement.
Oh, now that's brilliant. Inglis brilliant. Oh, just 4 more though.
Off 17. Finished with a boundary.
Doesn't quite reach, but they'll come back for a second. It won't work for them. Inglis again doing some good work, but have they compiled a competitive total?
Well, they're certainly in the game, JB, and that's all they could have asked for with the...
Bit of swing early.
I like it. Outswing. And he's giving the ball a chance to swing with that type of length.
In the air, this is the perfect start. It's going to fly away.
Oh, wow.
That's what airspeed does. Good start. Good start. He wants it, Dooley. Wait, he's got no interest at all. 1 for 14.
Phil, I'll get you to change your original decision to out. Signal now.
That is golden. Matty Wade. There's the edge flam. That's exactly what you're talking about. Thanks to Zach Crawley. Straight down the ground.
It's been sublime batting.
Nice pace. And now an individual 50 for Aaron Hardy to keep this wonderful tournament rolling.
His stocks are rising, aren't they? There was talk about the Sydney Test match with Cam Green out.
Thumped in the air. Not quite getting there. Swung hard. Flies away, 4 more. Wow. That's with a leg in the air. Just helping himself. Absolutely helping himself. The Scorchers. Oh, wow. 50 for Inglis.
That's BBL at your best. Get that batter.
That's out. Caught up with it. Flicked away fine. That'll do. That'll do it. What a performance from Aaron Hardy.
Yeah, fitting, wasn't it, that he hit the winning runs? That's a fantastic knock. 90 off 62 deliveries. He's been in really good form throughout this BBL, just enhancing his reputation with every innings. But I thought this was a cracker tonight because they lost 2 quick wickets, bouncy surface against a pretty good attack in that first 6-7 overs, but he rode that, he scored quickly. Inglis played a really good fill-in role in between.